At the end of this video, you will get a free business plan template that you can download and modify to easily create a quality business plan for your business. Starting a small business is an exciting venture that requires careful planning and dedication. Whether you have a passion you want to turn into a business or a unique idea to bring to the market, this guide will provide you with essential steps to launch your own small business successfully. 1. Identify your passion and niche. The first step in starting a small business is identifying your passion or a niche you are knowledgeable about. Consider what you love to do and how it aligns with market demands. This foundation will be crucial for your motivation and the sustainability of your business. 2. Conduct market research. Before diving in, conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Identify gaps in the market that your business can fill, ensuring there is demand for your product or service. This research will guide your business strategy. 3. Create a business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is essential for the success of any small business. Outline your business goals, target market, competition analysis, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. A solid business plan will serve as your roadmap and a valuable tool when seeking funding or investors. 4. Choose a business structure. Selecting the right business structure is crucial for legal and financial reasons. Options include sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each has its own implications on taxes, liability, and management. Consult with a legal professional to determine the best fit for your business. 5. Register your business. Once you've chosen a business structure, register your business with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits to operate legally in your jurisdiction. This step ensures you are compliant with local regulations and establishes your business as a legitimate entity. 6. Set up financial systems. Establishing sound financial systems is key to managing your small business effectively. Open a business bank account, set up accounting software, and keep meticulous records of your income and expenses. This will simplify tax filing, budgeting, and overall financial management. 7. Secure funding. Consider your startup costs and determine how you will fund your small business. Options include personal savings, loans, grants, or investors. Explore various funding sources and choose the one that aligns with your business model and financial goals. 8. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, an online presence is crucial for reaching your target audience. Create a professional website, establish social media profiles, and utilize online marketing strategies. Engage with your audience through content creation and build a community around your brand. 9. Develop a marketing strategy. Craft a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your small business. Utilize both online and offline channels, including social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and traditional advertising. Consistency in marketing efforts will help you reach and retain customers. 10. Hire and train your team. As your business grows, consider hiring a team to support your operations. Select individuals with skills that complement your own and provide necessary training. A motivated and skilled team is essential for the success and growth of your small business. Conclusion. Starting a small business is a rewarding journey that requires careful planning and continuous effort. By identifying your passion, conducting thorough research, and following these essential steps, you can lay the foundation for a successful and sustainable venture. Remember, adaptability and perseverance are key as you navigate the challenges and celebrate the successes of entrepreneurship. Embrace the learning curve, stay committed to your vision, and watch your small business thrive in the competitive marketplace. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your business plan template. It is completely free, no strings attached.